Right then, welcome to Happy Hungry Hibby. Yes, this week I am bringing you a absolutely amazing, simple recipe. Just to let you know, Harvey is really playing up at the moment. He just doesn't want to sleep in his crate. So we are absolutely cream crackered at the moment. It's Sunday afternoon, and yes, Harvey's tired because he's not sleeping. He wants to be in bed with me, but he's not allowed. He's not allowed because he's sleeping in his crate downstairs like a good boy. And someday he'll be allowed to have his bed downstairs and he won't have to be in his crate. He can roam downstairs on his own, but he is scraping at the door and every noise is amplified in the house. So Harvey has to stay in his crate until he's a little bit older. So Harvey, gotta be a good boy, okay? Yes? Okay, right. So what I'm going to bring you this week is a absolutely amazing vegan dish. It's so simple. It's the one and only Greek Tzatziki. So for the ingredients you need for this, it's completely simple, and I've got just one secret ingredient for this, just to really give it that little bit of a punch, and also how not to waste food, which I'm really big on. So first of all, the absolutely essential ingredients is, of course, your cucumber. So I've got this organic cucumber here, some mint. I have actually seen people use dill, but mint is the original ingredient that you absolutely need. And then I'm using a lime instead of a lemon. Then you need a plant-based yogurt, and in this case I'm actually using this coconut yogurt, and you can actually buy a Greek style plant-based yogurt, but I do actually really like this. It's absolutely amazing, a natural coconut yogurt. And in terms of this product, just six ingredients. You've got your coconut milk, your coconut water, cornstarch, corn fibre, which is okay, potato starch, and then it's got fruit pectin. So in terms of whole food plant-based, I really do see this as actually being not bad at all. There's a lot of E numbers in a lot of these products in terms of stabilizers and thickeners and things like that, but this is brilliant. So do check it out. It is plant-based. So the other ingredient is, of course, fresh garlic. Now, you're wondering what the secret ingredient is, and it is actually the stems of watercress. Now, this is absolutely amazing. So all you need to do is just reduce the amount of cucumber you use, and then finally chop this up and add this in. And what that does is it just adds that little bit of a zest, a little bit of an uplift. It's absolutely incredible. So you must do try that. Also experiment with other things, you know, whether it be something like ginger or horseradish, just a little bit, just to transform that tzatziki. But it is an absolutely fantastic dish. So I'm just having a lovely Sunday day with my wife and little Harvey. We've had a lovely walk today, and I'm just having a nice cup of tea. So it'd be really interesting to see what your favourite dip is. Tzatziki is a very traditional Greek recipe. That is a dip you can find in most supermarkets. It prices at about between £1 and £1.50. To make this at home, it costs much less. So basically 6 to 7 ingredients is all you need. So let's get going. So, it's the taste test time. And it smells great. So let's try. Come here, Harvey. Some footsteps back to his little bed. Wow. That is absolutely incredible. And the watercress stems, stalks, whatever you want to call them, just give it almost a little bit of a pepperiness. Really complements it well. So it's almost like you're taking a bite. It's like 2/3 of this is cucumber and 1/3 is actually the stalks of the watercress, and it's just unpredictable. It's like Russian roulette on the taste buds. It's absolutely amazing. The little citrus of the lime complements it slightly better than lemon, but the secret ingredient, yes, absolutely the watercress. So this is a whole food plant-based version of Tzatziki. It's very similar to also the Raita, which is like a very cooling Indian sauce. I would call it a sauce, but it's almost like a dip, you know, which is very cleansing and cool on the palate. So very, very similar principles. Yes, very hot in India, very hot in Greece, but really looking forward to having the family try this and seeing what they think. So thought this would be really good as it's summer. It is really hot. It's in the middle of July now. We've not had a good couple of weeks, but where it has been hot, it's been about 30 degrees, really hot. So this is absolutely fantastic for like a meze. Please do check out my playlist for where I've done lots of sauces and dips and things like that, and flavor bombs. Really do hope you've enjoyed this video and my insight and my way of doing Tzatziki. Please do subscribe, lots of love and passion going into this. Please also turn on those notifications. Bing! Only about 5% of my subscribers revisit my fortnightly videos, which are on Tuesdays, 4:30. Also, put your comments below. It'd be really interesting to know what your favourite dip is and what your favourite Tzatziki is, whether you buy that in, what's your favourite brand, supermarket to buy this from. So it's a goodbye from me and a goodbye from Harvey. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.